Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be continuing with my series of my favorite travel products reviews. So if you want to see more of those, just click right up here and I'm going to put a link for you to go check out all of those videos of all my other favorite travel products. And as always, please go ahead and hit that like button down below. Go ahead and hit subscribe, help me get to my goal of 1,000 subscribers before the end of 2022. And if you hit that bell notification, the little bell icon, you will get notified when I post a new video. So let's get started. Today we're talking about packing cubes. So I know there's a love-hate relationship with these. Some people swear by them, some people don't think they work. I fall into the camp of I love them. When I use them with a suitcase, I typically use them for organization. However, when I am packing carry-on only, they are vital to me because they really compress my clothing down so that I can fit more into my space. So I really recommend them if you are traveling carry-on only. They do come in different sizes. I do have this little guy right here, which is great for smaller things, undergarments, that sort of thing. And then I do have a bunch of larger sizes as well. So this one is great for a backpack, like if your carry-on is a backpack only. They do have a really large one as well, which this does fit into my carry-on backpack, my eBags Motherload backpack that I use, and I can link that down below too. There's a whole video review on that. But I love this for that backpack because it fits into that whole section like perfectly. The smaller ones, if I want to use a smaller one, I can fit two this size in there. Okay, so to use a packing cube, you want to make sure you overfill it. It will not compress and save you space if you're not overfilling it. So stuff as much as you can into your packing cubes, and I would recommend filling them up. That way you can also maybe use fewer packing cubes. So I have 14 shirts right here that I'm going to put into this one medium-sized packing cube. So I have the first 5 I'm going to put right here, and I have the second 5 are going to go right beside it. Now of course you don't have to use just shirts. If you want to pack with your outfits together, like a pair of pants and a shirt, that could go together as well. It looks like it fits really well right now, and it does. However, there's still plenty of space in here, so I have 4 more shirts that I am going to layer on top, kind of stagger them so that it stays as level as possible. Now, because I have compressed this, or am going to compress this, it will actually save you space. If you don't fill it up to where it compresses, it's not saving you any space because the bag itself hasn't changed size. So your clothes haven't changed size. So I recommend putting extra in. And then if you want to push your zipper, it's caught. There we go. Put your zippers all the way at the end. There you go. There's 14 shirts. You can see that it is stuffed full. This will save space because if I packed the same amount of clothing in 2 separate bags, it wouldn't compress anything and I would have used up extra space that way. And this helps to push all the air out. Yes, it can cause wrinkles. However, I always carry with me a bottle of Downy Wrinkle Release, and that works wonders on it. It's got a handle, you can pick it up, and now this packs really well into your luggage. I like to use the 2 different ones, typically around the same size. They fit really well. I'll put my outfits together, a pair of pants, a shirt. They stack nicely, and then I will use a small one for like undergarments. And that is how I use my packing cubes. So those are my packing cubes. Again, I have multiple sets. There are various sizes. It just kind of depends on how I'm packing, what type of trip I'm taking, or if I need to share them with my husband or my daughter because they use them as well. So if you like this video and definitely want to see more, go ahead and hit like. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe. If you want to really support me, go ahead, follow me over Instagram at NowViewingTheWorld. Thanks again. Bye-bye.